Here's how you can easily add, edit, or remove widgets on your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Long press on any empty area of the screen until the apps start jiggling. In the top left corner, tap the Edit option. Then select Add Widget. Select the widget you want, and tap Add Widget. You can drag it around and place it in your preferred position. In the top right corner, tap Done. And just like that, your widget is now added. Don't like the size of the widget, you can edit it easily. Once again, long press on empty area on the screen. You can see the resize option in the bottom corner of the widget. Drag from the corner to resize the widget as per your liking. Once you are happy, tap Done. Don't want the widget anymore? Remove it completely. For this, long press on the widget. From the pop-up menu, tap Remove Widget. Then, confirm your choice. The widget will be instantly removed from your home screen.